We are proud to offer a special discount for our first responders. As a token of our appreciation for the hard work and dedication of the men and women who serve our communities, we are offering a 10% discount on your home closing costs. As a first responder, you put your life on the line every day to keep us safe. We want to thank you by providing you with a discount that will help you save money on the things you need. Whether you are looking to buy a new home, upgrade your current property, or invest in real estate, we have the expertise and resources to help you succeed. To take advantage of this special offer, simply show your valid first responder identification at the time of your home purchase. We want to thank you for all that you do, and we hope the discount will help you in some way. Don't miss out on this opportunity to save money on your real estate needs. For more details on this topic, please call, email, DM, or text me or the agent who sent you this video. We appreciate your service and look forward to working with you.